If you're breastfeeding or pumping and suddenly notice a painful white or clear spot on your nipple, you may be dealing with a milk blister, also called a milk bleb. It can make nursing or pumping surprisingly painful, but the good news is that most milk blebs can improve with gentle care. A milk bleb happens when milk gets trapped near the opening of a nipple pore, creating a small blister-like spot. You may notice sharp pain during feeding, tenderness between feeds, or a tiny white, yellow, or clear dot on the nipple. The first rule is simple: do not pop, squeeze, pick, or puncture the blister yourself. Trying to open it with a needle can damage the nipple and increase the risk of infection. Instead, continue breastfeeding or pumping as comfortably as you can. Removing milk regularly can help maintain milk flow, but avoid aggressive pumping or repeatedly trying to empty the breast completely, because excessive stimulation may worsen inflammation. Gentle warmth before feeding or pumping may feel soothing and can help milk flow. Afterward, use a cold pack wrapped in cloth to reduce swelling and discomfort. Focus on comfort rather than trying to force the bleb open. Pay attention to your baby's latch, too. A shallow or painful latch can increase nipple irritation and may contribute to ongoing problems. If pumping, make sure your flange fits comfortably and that your suction level isn't unnecessarily high. If the bleb keeps coming back, becomes increasingly painful, or you develop breast redness, significant swelling, fever, chills, or flu-like symptoms, contact your healthcare provider or a lactation professional promptly. These symptoms can indicate inflammation or mastitis that needs appropriate evaluation. Remember, a milk blister does not mean you have to stop breastfeeding. With gentle care, improved milk removal, and attention to nipple comfort, many blebs settle over time. For more practical breastfeeding and pumping guidance, subscribe to Pump with Thilly. And remember, you're not failing because breastfeeding hurts sometimes. Getting the right support can make a big difference.